The Klarna precedent. 700 jobs erased without a single layoff. A single AI assistant just replaced 700 jobs and no one said a word. Not a single layoff, not a single headline, just silence. And that silence should terrify you. Klarna, the Swedish payment giant valued at over $6.7 billion, launched an AI customer service assistant powered by OpenAI. In its first month alone, it handled 2.3 million customer conversations across 23 markets in multiple languages. The AI now manages 2/3 of Klarna's total customer service volume. It works 24/7. It resolves inquiries in just 2 minutes, down from 11 minutes with human agents. And most disturbing of all, it delivers customer satisfaction scores comparable to its human counterparts. Their CEO, Sebastian Siemiatkowski, stated it plainly. This AI assistant performs the work equivalent of 700 human customer service agents. So let me ask you, if your job involves responding to inquiries, helping customers, answering questions, processing routine requests, what exactly is stopping your employer from implementing the exact same solution tomorrow? That's not a hypothetical question, because Klarna just published the blueprint, and companies across every industry are studying it closely. Here's what makes this case so alarming. Klarna didn't actually fire 700 people. What they did was potentially more insidious. They eliminated the to hire those people as they scaled. No pink slips, just jobs that never materialized. Invisible displacement. It's the perfect corporate scenario. No negative headlines, no public backlash, no severance costs. Just AI systems quietly absorbing the growth that would have created human employment opportunities. And the financial impact? The AI assistant is projected to improve Klarna's profits by an estimated $40 million in 2024 alone. Faster service, lower costs, higher profits, a business trifecta that's impossible for executives to ignore. What happens when the thing you built your entire career on just stops being needed? This represents a hidden pattern that's accelerating across industries far faster than most career advisors are willing to admit. Companies are no longer waiting for AI to get good enough before implementation. The technology has crossed that threshold, and Klarna proved it at enterprise scale. What's even more concerning is the timeline compression. Many experts predicted this level of AI capability was still years away. Instead, it's here now, transforming entire corporate structures while most employees are still debating whether AI poses a future threat. But there's a crucial question we need to answer. Did Klarna actually fire 700 people because of their AI implementation? To understand what's happening here, we need to examine multiple sources that give us unique insight into this case study. Our analysis is based on Klarna's official announcement, direct statements from their CEO, coverage across major business publications, including Bloomberg, Reuters, and Forbes, and detailed performance metrics released by the company itself. This isn't speculation, it's documented implementation with verified results. What makes our perspective different from mainstream coverage is that we're focused on the strategic implications for your career, not just the business impact for Klarna. Most media outlets reported this as a simple efficiency story. AI helps company improve customer service, but that framing misses the profound displacement effect happening beneath the surface. The conventional narrative suggests AI will primarily augment human work, making jobs easier rather than replacing them entirely. Yet, Klarna's case demonstrates something fundamentally different: complete replacement of core job functions at scale. If your resume reads like the job description AI just replaced, where does that leave you? To understand the magnitude of this threat, let's break it down into 3 distinct tiers of impact. Tier 1, direct replacement. Roles where AI can perform complete functional replacement today. These jobs involve standardized communication, rule-based decision-making, and information retrieval and delivery. Customer support representatives, first-line technical support, and basic administrative roles fall into this category. Klarna's case proves these roles can be replaced completely by current AI. Tier 2, rapid transformation. Roles that won't disappear entirely but are undergoing radical redefinition. These positions will see 50 to 70% of current tasks automated, with the remaining human component focused exclusively on exception handling and complex cases. This includes advanced customer service roles, mid-level support specialists, and various coordinator positions. Tier 3, strategic augmentation. Roles that involve complex problem-solving, strategic thinking, creative implementation, and high-stakes decision-making. While elements of these positions will be enhanced by AI, the core value remains fundamentally human. This includes AI oversight specialists, customer experience strategists, and escalation managers. Looking at specific job roles being impacted right now, we see clear evidence of Tier 1 disruption. Think order status, password resets, basic account info, policy questions. AI already handles them faster and cheaper. The timeline for this disruption has dramatically accelerated. What was projected as a 5-year transformation is now happening in real time. Klarna implemented their system more than a year ago, and in technology adoption terms, that's a lifetime. So did Klarna actually fire 700 people? No, they didn't need to. They just stopped hiring because the AI replaced the growth itself. They implemented a hiring freeze for customer service roles, directed resources toward engineering and AI implementation, and relied on natural attrition to gradually reduce headcount where needed. Despite this alarming scenario, there are strategic opportunities emerging within this disruption. The key is identifying the advantage zones where human skills will remain valuable and AI resistant. Let's examine 3 specific opportunity zones within the AI-disrupted job market. First, human-AI integration points. These are where humans interface with, manage, implement, and optimize AI systems. These roles focus on the handoff between automated systems and human intervention. Second, complex judgment areas. These are where nuanced decision-making, ethical considerations, and high-stakes outcomes require human oversight. These roles demand emotional intelligence, situational awareness, and complex problem-solving that AI still struggles with. Strategic experience design, where the overall customer or user experience is architected, including when and how AI is deployed within that journey. These roles require a holistic understanding of both human psychology and business objectives. The strategic framework for positioning yourself within these opportunity zones is what I call the human-AI synergy model. This involves 3 key principles. 1. Identify AI limitations. Recognize where current AI still struggles. Complex reasoning, ethical judgment, emotional intelligence, and creative problem-solving. Develop complementary capabilities. Cultivate skills that are inherently difficult for AI to replicate and that enhance AI performance. Position at integration points. Aim for roles that sit at the intersection of automated systems and human oversight, where your judgment adds critical value. This framework provides a structured approach to repositioning your career for maximum AI resistance. It's not about competing with AI directly. It's about leveraging your uniquely human capabilities in ways that make you an essential component of the AI-integrated workplace. If you're stuck doing work AI can now do, you need to pick a survival path now before you're quietly replaced. Let's explore 3 distinct strategic options. Path 1, the AI integration specialist. If you don't have a clear path into AI-resilient territory, this is where you need to start. Key responsibilities: implementing and optimizing AI assistants, designing effective prompting systems, quality assurance and performance monitoring, training AI on company-specific knowledge, and developing escalation protocols. Skill development priorities: 1. Prompt engineering fundamentals. 2. Basic AI model understanding. 3. Customer journey mapping. 4. Analytics and performance measurement. And 5. Technical documentation and knowledge management. Implementation timeline. Start by taking a prompt engineering course. Then, build a small portfolio project demonstrating your ability to optimize AI responses. Finally, identify opportunities within your current organization to lead AI implementation initiatives, even if not directly in your job description. Path 2, the human escalation expert. If your value comes from handling complex cases that break standard procedures, this path leverages those advanced interpersonal skills. Key responsibilities: managing escalated customer issues, handling emotionally charged situations, making nuanced judgment calls, resolving multifaceted problems, and building relationships with high-value customers. Skill development priorities: advanced conflict resolution, emotional intelligence and empathy, creative problem-solving, negotiation and customer retention, and crisis communication. Implementation timeline. Begin by documenting complex cases you've handled that would challenge AI. Develop frameworks for addressing these scenarios. Seek opportunities to handle escalated issues and build metrics around your success rate with difficult cases. Path 3. The CX strategy and analytics professional. If you can see the big picture of how humans and AI should work together, this path focuses on redesigning customer experiences. Key responsibilities: designing end-to-end customer journeys, determining optimal AI and human interaction points, analyzing AI performance and failure patterns, continuously improving customer experience, translating customer insights into strategic direction. Skill development priorities. 1. Customer journey mapping and service design. 2. Data analysis and visualization. 3. Business case development. 4. UX and UI fundamentals. 5. Strategic communication and stakeholder management. Implementation timeline. Start by mapping current customer journeys and identifying AI integration opportunities. Develop metrics to measure experience quality. Create strategic proposals for enhancing customer experience through thoughtful AI implementation. For each path, the implementation sequence follows a similar pattern. 1. Audit your current role for automation vulnerability. What percentage could AI handle? 2. Identify your natural strengths aligned with one of these three paths. 3. Acquire foundational knowledge and skills for your chosen path. 4. Develop initial proof of competency through projects, certifications, or results. 5. Reposition internally or externally towards your target role. The key is to begin this transition immediately, not after your role shows signs of AI displacement. By then, competition for these strategic positions will be intense. The window of opportunity for strategic repositioning is rapidly closing. Based on Klarna's implementation timeline and the accelerating adoption of similar AI systems across industries, you likely have between 6 to 18 months to make a decisive career move before competition for AI-resistant roles intensifies dramatically. This isn't speculation, it's based on observable adoption patterns following successful enterprise implementations like Klarna's. The financial incentives are simply too compelling for companies to ignore. To evaluate your current situation and determine the optimal path forward, ask yourself these three critical questions. 1. What percentage of my daily tasks involve repeatable processes, standard information delivery, or predictable interactions? 2. Which of the three strategic paths best aligns with my natural abilities and interests? And 3. Based on my industry and role, how quickly is AI likely to impact my specific position? Your answers will guide your immediate next steps, but regardless of your specific situation, complacency is the greatest danger. Even roles that appear safe today may be transformed tomorrow as AI capabilities continue to advance. The actionable steps you should take today are: first, audit your own role. Identify what AI could already handle. Then ask, where does irreplaceable value begin? Second, select one of the three strategic paths we've outlined and begin skill development immediately. Third, apply these new capabilities to create value in your current role while positioning for your next career move. Remember, Klarna didn't eliminate people, they eliminated functions. Your goal is to position yourself where your value transcends replaceable functions and instead centers on uniquely human capabilities that enhance and direct AI systems. Those who act now will not merely survive the AI revolution, they'll thrive within it, commanding higher compensation and greater job security by positioning at the critical intersection of human judgment and AI efficiency. The question isn't whether AI will transform your career. Klarna has already proven it will. The only question is whether you'll be leading that transformation or becoming its casualty. Klarna was the first warning. If you don't want to be the next casualty, hit subscribe now. We show you what's coming next. Will you be replaced or will you become? That choice is still yours to make, but the window is